Alrighty guys, welcome back to Good Time with the Goodmans. Today I'm going to be unboxing my first stainless steel table. I'm going to be doing this solo right now. The wife is asleep, she just got home from work, and today is my only off day from work as well too. So I'm going to go ahead and do this by myself. Hopefully I'll be able to get this done, get this unboxed and installed today as well too. We'll do some more measurements to see exactly what other tables that we might throw up in here, and might get the machine on there today with some other cooking equipment too. But I'm feeling a little bit under the weather right now, so if I sound a little bit stuffy, I don't got no COVID or nothing like that. That's a little bit under the weather, but gotta get stuff done. We're on a timeline we want to keep, so we'll go ahead and get this unboxing done, and let's stay tuned. All right, let's do it.
Life is good.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
What we have here is going to be my 5-foot table. I think it's 5 foot by 24 inches. I like to say. On this particular table, we're trying to put the machine itself and the cooking equipment on as well too. But we'll see. The legs and the hardware there. This table is very. Oh, that's heavy. That's pretty heavy. Normally I don't read instructions, just trying to swing it, but this is a business. These are what they call self-leveling legs. Where you pretty much, well not self, but I don't know, something like that. So you're just going to unscrew it to a certain thing, but actually we probably have to take these whole legs. Actually, I think they have the parts that we need. We have probably yeah, we should be alright. So your food has to be a certain level off the ground for safety reasons. So I'm just gonna put this product right here towards the middle for right now. But after a while, we probably do some readjusting. Depends on what exactly we're gonna put on the bottom of the shelves. So we're just gonna put it about halfway right now, and then we'll take it from there after the fact. Alrighty guys, that's it for now. So this is my stainless steel table, 5 foot. We're looking to put our machine probably something like right here. Then we have two cooking equipment that we're gonna put parallel to each other, and that should take up most of the space for here. Most likely we'll put our cups underneath here, our different boxes up with cups and stuff like that for easy access. And we'll have another station we're gonna supply the cooking stuff like that we're gonna need to cook with as well too. But for now we're gonna hit Home Depot real quick to get some of these leg holders for the installation of this table. And that's it for right now, guys. And I'll be back. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alrighty, guys, we got the heavy ass generator out of here.
Yes. I almost broke my
300
back.
pounds. So we got the table where we're gonna have the table when we wanted to be at. So now we're gonna go ahead and lock the table down. We got everything nice and leveled. We're gonna lock it down with our self-tapping screws again.
Yep.
And we're gonna see what else we're gonna do today with this table. So we'll lock it down for you guys real quick, and we'll be right back. Alright, Miss Rakita's gonna start this time with the machinery. She's gonna go ahead and lock it down. We are using washers, little small washers like this, and our self-tapping sheet metal screws. We're ready. Make sure you put some weight behind it.
Oh yeah, I do need to stand.
Use your breast powers, ma'am.
Shut up.
Ma'am, did you reverse? Did you put the? Did you reverse it?
No. Ooh, this thing on fire too. Why didn't you tell me that? See, you got me struggling for no reason.
She said she wanted to do this, guys.
No, you
She
didn't
told
remind me to put it on reverse.
Guys, she told me she
Yes.
wanted us to do this, guys. I
Yeah.
was just gonna know, leave her, do what she gotta do, you know.
I need to stand up. If somebody would have told me about the reverse the first time, it would have been in there. Somebody didn't tell me shit. I'm a doll. Kind of ran this course.
Guys, she's over here destroying screws, guys. Steel screws, stainless steel screws, guys.
It probably ran this course. I screwed it too much. I did it. Finally.
It is now 12 midnight, guys. I'm so tired. It took so long. It took 6 hours for one
Where's
show,
the
guys.
other-
She said she wants to do it, guys.
Give me the.
I'm gonna let her do it, guys. What do I gave you two already.
I don't know. It might be sitting on it. Oh, there you go.
Guys, she's losing stuff, guys. Jeez Louise, Shirley.
Voila! I did it.
After 2 days, guys. We literally been there for 2 days.
Shut up. Now what else? You want to do that one? Yeah, you do that one.
I'm gonna do this one on that side.
This one?
Yes. I'm so tired. I've been here for so long.
Stop playing.
Guys,
Come on.
this is the face of a person. Get a close look at that, guys.
No.
It's cute. It's cute or not, but
It's like I'm an object. Okay.
it's cute or not. Anything in the house, sir. Alright, guys. Not too shabby. Anything in the house, sir.
Whatever you say. No, it's not.
Alright. Can you get that one back there?
Me.
Alrighty, guys. We have our table fully installed in the trailer now. Yeah.
I took the tape off the top of it.
Nice and shiny and stainless steely.
Yeah.
So this is where our machine and our cooking equipment is going to go on as well.
Yep.
So on our next video, we're going to do an unboxing of our snowball machine.
Yes.
Shaved ice.
Mm-hmm.
So make sure you guys like, follow, and subscribe to our social medias. We're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. YouTube is going to be Good Time with the Goodmans. Facebook is going to be both R&B Musical Snowballs and Good Time with the Goodmans.
Yeah.
TikTok is going to be Good Times with the Goodmans, and Instagram is going to be both Good Time with the Goodmans and R&B Musical Snowballs.
Yep.
That's the letter R and B. Musical Snowballs on Instagram. Okay, guys. So till next time, we're out.